Hey there everyone, welcome back to Desi. I hope you all are doing good. It's me, your boy Vicky here. So today I brought a very interesting video to share it with you guys from New Hampshire. So let's quickly jump onto the car and drive to New Hampshire. And this place is called SACO Lake. And there are also some cool places surrounding by this lake actually. So today we'll be exploring those things. And buckle up guys, so it's going to be a fun ride again. And if you find this video helpful and useful, or if you do enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what's the best part you like in this video. I'll be looking forward for your response in the comments, and catch you guys on the other side. So finally we managed to reach the SACO Lake here. To the right you can see the small little lake. As you can see, there are lots of cars parked to the roadside. It's a small place to stop by, get rest and for 20 minutes walk around the trail and to enjoy the phenomenal view. There is also a train ride available for visitors to explore this beautiful nature and fall colors. The Conway Scenic Railroad has a 5 to 6 hours of ride through the deep valleys of mountains that covers about 40 to 60 miles in distance and gives you a very satisfying experience. So this rail goes all the way to the summit of White Mountains. So here's the view of the Crown Notch train station, and the train is actually a 1950s style in model, and you can see some of the amazing inside views of this train. And they are pretty attractive and phenomenal views here. As you can see, all the colors of the fall and the trees. Also, there are a couple of trails located close by to this SACO Lake. One is the Webster's Jackson Trailhead and the other one is the Mount Willard Trailhead. Also, there is the AMC Highland Center located close to the SACO Lake, which has pretty great views of these mountains and nature that can basically provide the private and shared rooms in a large style property, including the breakfast and dinner, plus trail access. So I have provided all the links related to this place in the description below. Please make sure to check those links out, and also I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you did, then make sure to like this video guys. For more similar videos, click on the links below, and also subscribe to this channel if you are new, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys on the other side in the next video. Until then, peace out.